and welcome back to my channel. I'm back this week with another video for you guys, but today we're going to be doing a little mask review. I'm going to be trying out the brand new Spa Life bubble mask. This is their pore cleaning carbonated foaming sheet mask. It looks like this. First of all, look at this cute packaging, like, oh my god. So I got this for $2.99 at Target because now I work at Target. I work in their beauty department and we just got this in like last week. So I really wanted to check it out and try it out. I haven't really tried a bubble mask before, so I am so excited to try this. Like, oh my gosh, you guys have no idea. This pretty much says that you have to open the package and apply to clean skin. Using your fingers, you have to gently massage the mask to activate it so that it bubbles, and then the foaming bubbles will occur. You have to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then you rinse off any residue. It also has a note that says that the tingling sensation means that it is working, but if the tingling sensation is too intense or you get any irritation, you have to stop using it. This is supposed to tingle when you put it on. This is gonna detoxify your face. It's gonna clean your pores. I'm so excited. So let's get to it. So as I said before, this is what the packaging looks like. This is $2.99, which is not bad at all for a mask. Alright, so all I did is I opened up the tier in the bottom. I just tore it where it told me to, and first impressions, it's black! Guys, look at this. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like when you open it. As you can tell, it has bubbles and the sheet mask is right there and it is black. Oh, it smells so strange. It smells like charcoal. So this is what this looks like. A black bubble mask. Ooh, it's already bubbling. I'm so excited for this. Alright, this feels super slimy. Ooh, it's so thick. Like the material is very thick, so it's not tearing or breaking, which is really nice. Look at all the bubbles. I'm just gonna put it on my face. I do have to say, I didn't do my skincare today. I just washed my face. Well, I did half of it. So I took off my makeup with a makeup wipe last night. I cleaned my face last night. I woke up this morning and I cleaned my face again with my face wash, but I have not put any serums or moisturizers because this is a detoxifying mask and I didn't want to put a detoxifying mask on top of moisturizer. So I'm gonna be doing my moisturizer and serum and eye cream after I do the mask. So I just wanted to let you guys know my face is completely clean. There's no product on my face. So yeah, let's put this on. Oh my gosh, it is already bubbling. Ah! Just put the side with the most bubbles to your face. Ooh, this is like the easiest mask to put on ever. This feels so cool. Guys. Okay, this feels so good. I'm gonna rub it to activate it because that's what the instructions said. Look at all these bubbles! I have to say, this is literally one of the best masks that I have tried, like in terms of putting it on. I'm talking weird because this is starting to tingle and there's bubbles in my mouth and I don't want to eat bubbles. I have to say, I'm starting to get the tingling sensation and I do like how easy it was to put this on my face. It didn't really take any like big effort to put it on and it didn't break like the gold one I used a couple of months ago. Look at all the bubbles. I am literally obsessed. So right now it is 2:29, almost 2:30 in the afternoon. So I'll be back in 20 minutes to give you guys an update and give you guys my actual first impressions. But first impressions, it is tingling like they said. Nothing annoying. It is not too bad. I feel that it's working. So I'll be back in 20 minutes to share with you guys my results. Alright guys, so I did want to give a quick update. I know I put it on around 7 minutes ago. Right now it is 2:36. As you can tell, look at all these bubbles. Like, it is so much more bubbly. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know it does get super bubbly. Like, look at this. Alright, I'm gonna shut up. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Alright guys, so right now it is 2:51. So it's been a little bit over 20 minutes and I'm just gonna take off the mask. As you can tell, look how bubbling this is. It has like a very slight tingling sensation, but it is nothing annoying at all whatsoever. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't really itch, which as it says on here, it means that it's working. So I guess my skin is detoxified now. So let's take this off and see what has happened. Bubbles! Look at all the bubbles on this though. Isn't that the coolest thing? Oh, that's like soap. It's literally just soap on my face right now. I'm just gonna massage it like this says, and then I'm gonna go rinse it off. So I'm just gonna get the bubbles out of it. Look at the bubbles. These are all the bubbles that were on the mask. I'm gonna put them on my face, cause why not? They feel so good though. This is not in the instructions, but whatever. I'm gonna go rinse my face, but I am really liking this mask. It is something that I have never tried before, something completely new to me. I know bubble masks are not a new thing. They've been around for a while already. Oh, that's gross. I just ate bubble mask. Don't eat it. It tastes disgusting. That's why they tell you to immediately rinse it off. So I'm gonna go rinse it off because I don't want to eat more bubbles. I'll be right back in a minute. Just hold up. Alright guys, so I just rinsed off the mask with some cold water. And I have to say, my face feels so extremely clean right now. Like, it even looks cleaner. Like, my pores, they are definitely minimized. Even though this wasn't a pore minimizing mask, it was a pore cleansing mask. I feel like my blackheads are completely gone. I do have to say, I had the most tingling sensation on my T-zone, which is where I have the most pores, where I get blackheads and where I get the most oily. It definitely worked because my pores, as you can tell, look so much better, so much cleaner. My face overall looks so clean and it feels so clean. And also this mask is super fun to use. Like the bubbles, I love bubbles. Like if you don't like bubbles, you might not like it, but like who doesn't like bubbles? Like it's so cool. And this was like $2.99. I feel like this is a very nice mask to use like once a week or once every 2 weeks to just like give your skin that extra cleanness that it needs. If you wear a lot of makeup, it is very nice to do deep cleaning masks. And I feel like this one was very unique because they like it definitely had charcoal because the wipe was black. So it's detoxifying your skin. It is cleaning it. Plus you also get the foam part with the bubbles and you have that carbonated water on your face and it just feels so clean. I do have to say my face feels kind of tacky. I have not done any moisturizer, I have not done any serum, and my face does not feel dry at all. Usually if I don't put moisturizer right after washing my face, which I didn't do today, it feels super dry and I'm not cracking up. I'm not dry at all, which means that this mask won't over dry your skin. So even if you have normal combination to dry skin, this will not over dry you. It is a very nice way to just clean your pores deeply as opposed to just using a face wash every day. Check it out. It is so good. You can find it at Target, as I said before. I will link it down below because they probably have a website as well. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, eye cream, and all of that. And yeah, but overall, I love this mask, and if you have not tried it, you definitely should because it is so good. So I feel like that is it for this video. If you found it helpful in any way, shape, or form, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video because I sure did. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.